101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, so usually every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have. I'm here with me, Radia Sisaril, Smart Up Your Life English discussion, with Smart FM. Of course, with English communities, and in this evening, I'm not alone. Yeah, we have friends from several or views English communities in South Sulawesi. Makassar also. But yeah, before we're going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite our friends, from English communities to introduce themselves one by one to smart listeners and viewers at home. Are you ready, smart listeners? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, please take this. Okay, come on. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, giving applause for us first. Yes, as I mentioned, smart listeners and viewers at home, I'm not alone. I would like to invite them to one by one to introduce themselves. Yeah, to smart listeners. Okay, I'll start from in the corner, the black one. Please take this. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English club? Yes, and how looks like your English club? Please.
Oh, executive check. Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. First, thanks to God, and I'll pray the blessing and peace always on us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anas Bakir. You can call me Anas.
Okay.
I'm from Akis.
Okay. Welcome, Anas. Yeah.
Akis
Akis, what does it stand for?
The abbreviation of Asrama Kampung Inggris Samata. Yeah.
Okay.
And I am as a coach, as an English teacher.
Mentor.
Mentor,
yeah.
For beginner level kids and also maybe basic. So there are many students start from elementary school to senior high school or even college students.
What about the location?
The location, you can find it in Samata, Bukit Samata.
Bukit Samata.
Yeah.
And for more detailed information about Akis itself, you may mention the Instagram or social media to smart listeners and viewers at home. Please.
Okay, the social media just in Instagram name is only Asrama Kampung Inggris.
Asrama, typing Asrama Kampung Inggris Samata. Yeah, okay. Please follow and do not hesitate to ask everything about Akis. Okay, thank you, Anas. Yeah, welcome in our second home, Smart FM.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, next. What is your name? What is your English club? And what about the schedule or the agenda?
Okay, so thanks for the opportunity. My name is Muhammad Alif Zaki. My classmates always call me Zaki. As you know, I'm a part of New Generation Club, aka NGC. So NGC is a human resource development community that built in Alauddin Makassar. This committee has been standing for at least 22 years.
Wow, 22 years. Wow.
So our passion is we are open to improve people's English skills such in speaking, reading, etc.
Free of charge?
Yes, free for everyone.
What about the criteria to join in with NGC? I mean, like for public or special people or what?
Actually, there's nothing particular criteria for join. Well, honestly, I'm a new member of this community. So if you want to know further about NGC, you can check our Instagram at ngc.official.
Okay, welcome, Zaki. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English club or community? And what about the agenda and location, please? Come on.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank you so
wabarakatuh.
much, Mr. Sam, that give me an opportunity to attend in this place to join how to say
English discussion.
English discussion
English
today.
communities.
Okay. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Indra Yudhistira, but usually people call me Yudis.
Yudis.
Yudis
Okay.
or Indra. So
Okay.
uh,
Which one is true? Yudis or Indra? Both them, yeah?
Yeah,
It's up to
both.
you.
Yeah.
Okay.
it
Mhm.
depends to you.
Mhm.
I'm a representative of New Generation Club.
What is your
or,
position?
my position at New Generation Club
Uh-huh.
as a president right now?
As a president. Okay.
At NGC, Saki had mentioned before that
Mhm.
we are focused on English skills development.
English skill development.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I will mention the agenda that we held on our communities.
Okay.
The first is there is a intensive meeting.
Mhm.
This intensive meeting, we usually talking about basic English grammar
Mhm.
to improve our skill on
Okay.
English.
Mhm.
The second agenda is weekly meeting.
Okay.
This weekly meeting, we improve our speaking skills like
Where is the
pronunciation.
location when you conduct the meeting?
When we conduct the meeting, we usually held in university, on the campus.
At the campus.
Alauddin.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
In
UIN,
Alauddin?
Yeah.
Ah,
UIN
okay.
Alauddin Makassar. Samata,
Okay.
Samata.
Every Sunday, Saturday, or
For intensive meeting is every Monday.
every Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
For weekly meeting is every Friday.
Every Friday.
Yeah.
In the same place.
In the same. Oh, not in the. Yeah, in the same.
In the same.
Yeah.
Why you dumb? Why you dumb? Come on.
There are several additional program.
Mhm.
Maybe if you like music or
Okay.
something like instrument, guitar, you can join with us.
Mhm.
Like design graphic.
Yes.
And then like how to say
Mm-hmm.
how to say,
Everything about talents, yeah?
yeah,
Yeah.
talents.
Mm-hmm. Okay, give your statement. Thank you. I move. Okay, I move to the next speaker. Okay, the one and only. You are very familiar here. Okay,
everybody
please,
know me.
to smart listeners and viewers at
Okay.
home.
Okay, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian.
Hi, Rian.
I'm from BPEC,
Mhm.
Benteng Panjua English Club.
Yes.
The BPC located in
Everybody's knows.
Yeah, everybody know that.
Okay.
But I will mention it in
Oh, yeah. It's okay.
Benteng
It's okay.
Rotterdam.
Uh-huh. What about the program? The meeting, please. Intensive
The
meeting.
meeting
How looks
will,
like?
will start every Sunday morning.
Mm-hmm.
Start from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock.
Is free of charge,
Yeah, free
or
of
we have to
charge.
register and buy something, or free of charge?
Yeah, free of charge.
Okay. For more detailed information about BPC itself, what is the social media names?
You can follow the Instagram
Mm-hmm.
BPEC Makassar.
Okay. Please, smart listeners and viewers at home, follow and do not hesitate. Yeah, BPEC Makassar, and ask everything about BPEC. Okay, give a applause for us first. Yes, as I mentioned, and my promise that I would like to mention about our topic for this evening. And our topic this evening is we will talking about the fashion, the trend, how human being wearing their their clothes, their trouser, their the fashion, yeah, era by era, something like that. And that's why we called our topic for this evening is, what is the topic? Mode trend. Give it applause for us. Yes. Talking about mode trend, actually there are two words, yeah, consists of two words, mode and trend. Trend, it means that in bahasa kecenderungan, ya, popularitas, ya, marak, ya. And mode, it means that shape, bentuk, ya, aksesoris, ya, sesuatu yang bisa dipakai, ya, something like that. And mode trend itself, of course, it's always change. But when we're talking about the the type of mode, there is like mode trend, like in especially invasion, like there is we call Harajuku, K-pop fashion, yeah, traditional clothes, kebaya, abaya, something like that, yeah, and casual like this, casual, yeah, formal, yeah, and etc. Yeah, okay, we will start our topic, mode trend. Okay, I start from you. Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Consists of two words, mode and trend. Mode trend.
Okay, about the mode trend, yeah. Uh, there are many. There are a lot of trend.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Day by day, month by month, will change.
Yeah, it will change.
Yeah, especially.
Which one you like and why? It's only casual, formal, traditional. Which one? Of course, in your daily. I mean, my question. Casual.
The casual one maybe.
Yes, because this you use with casual.
Yeah, I mean, I just wear this casual mode for only the event, not for like if I in my home, in my house, I just change my.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But when you go, did you ever got this theme? I mean, you was ever maybe a discussion about this topic in another place, like in your English community, in another English community, in your school, university?
I guess not.
Not.
Yeah.
This is your first time.
Yeah, the first
talking
time.
about mode trend.
Yes.
Ooh. It means that, in other words, our topic is unique.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because we talk about the mode trend. What is the OOTD, outfit of the day?
Oh, tidak.
Yeah.
And I mean, like, your conclusion is this is your first time, and this is very interesting.
Yes.
Okay, keep your statement.
Okay.
I move to you, Yudis. How do you think about our topic for this evening? Is this topic is mind blowing, unusual, or what?
Okay. When I first time listen to this topic, in my mind is like, this is like,
Cibaduyut.
no, like the fashion,
Yeah.
or maybe like
You know Cibaduyut?
technology. No.
No, you don't know.
What is
Zaki, you know
Cibaduyut?
Cibaduyut. No? Oh, okay, forget it.
I will search it. Maybe for technology, always change.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
like
agree.
you mentioned before, like accessories, like maybe like woman always change their bags or something,
the
or
shoes,
the new like brand, maybe
the bag.
yeah, the bag, or the people habits, like their activity, maybe. Like,
But unfortunately, there is no woman here because we're talking about modern trend. Where is you, woman? There is no woman.
I'm sorry, Mohan.
Okay. Any
like,
addition?
Maybe just that.
Okay. So, is this your first time to talking about modern trend?
Actually, yeah.
Really? Okay. Why?
People always talking about politics, games,
economy.
or economy. Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, because we have always have a mind-blowing topic here.
Mind-blowing topic.
Unusual topic. Okay, give your statement. Yeah, welcome, Yudis. Next, Zaki, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Modern
Well,
trend.
Well, in my opinion, this topic is kinda interesting for me, as both of our speaker has mentioned before. So fashion has significantly changed from the middle century until now.
Okay.
For I think this topic is kinda complicated for me because I have less sense of patience. I even wear.
Have you
sandals
ever
every week.
talking or discuss about this topic in your community, in your school, university, or maybe in at your home, talking about this topic?
No, only ladies mention about this. Boys never.
This
talk
is your
about
first time?
fashion. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Even your, I mean, like your style of hair is a mode, yeah, mode of trend. How looks like your hair, your cut hair. It's a mode, right? It's a
Uh,
trend, right?
To be honest,
Okay.
I have using this haircut since I
Mhm.
was elementary school students.
Okay. In the same shape.
Yes,
Always change or same shape?
yes, 100% similar.
Similar. Okay, give your statement. I move to you, Akis. Yeah. How do you think? What is your reaction when you got this topic?
One word getting through in my mind for the first time.
Shock.
Hearing for the invitation.
Yeah. The invitation,
Yeah,
the topic.
because-
What is your reaction?
First is shock because
First
this the
issue.
sudden invitation
Mhm.
for me, because I have to change the speaker should sit here and talk about the topic.
Mhm.
And yeah, I think we are going to talk about the way or the manner or the development of the way of clothes,
Mhm.
the way people are wearing clothes
Mhm.
day by day,
Mhm.
year by year.
Not only actually talking about the clothes, but also our grooming, your shoe, your face, your skincare, your.
yeah.
This is a very universal
Universal.
topic actually. Talking about modern trend, even your cut, your haircut, your. How to say it, sarung tangan when you go to
Gloves.
motorcycle,
Yeah.
it's also modern trend, yeah. Okay, so for the first time you got shocked, right?
Yeah.
So how do you think about this topic? Have you ever discussed about this? I mean, similar topic.
As far as I remember that I've ever talked about this, but
Mhm.
I'm not really deep into the small
Mhm.
talk
Mhm.
that my friends do in campus. Sometimes
Mhm,
we always
mhm.
judge people
Mhm.
from the way they wear clothes, the way
Mhm.
they make up, maybe
Mhm.
the way
Mhm.
yeah, feeling like that.
Almost.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I move to the next question. The second question, still you.
Yeah.
Okay. Please be ready. Are you sure? The characteristic from the peoples who have a like a fashion style, it's describe their character. I mean, like when you like the black color, it means that describe yourself that oh you are very mysterious. If you wearing the bright color, oh you are very cheerful, very fun. If you wearing like thick fashion, thick clothes, oh you are very sport. If you are wearing a large, oh you are very blah blah blah. Are you sure about that? The
Yeah.
characteristic of the fashion, the personal, the personal of the patient. Are you believe about it?
I think so.
Mm-mm.
But
Why?
We can say also that I'm one of the person that do the same.
Are you mysterious because you're wearing black?
No. Why I wear black tonight? Because
Uh-huh.
I just think, the aura of the man
Mhm.
is like brightening
Mhm,
by the black color.
mhm.
Yeah, and also
So there is
when
correlation. There is
Yeah.
correlation. Mhm.
I sometimes match
Mhm. Mix and
if
match.
if I am in good mood because
Mhm.
I have my favorite clothes. I like
Black.
football.
Football clothes.
Sometimes when I'm in good mood, I will wear my football T-shirt.
Okay. So you are sporty man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You can say so.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I move to Zaki. Is someone characteristic based on the color of their patient, or there is no relation, or just by change, or what? Do you get my point? Okay.
Probably mostly like that, but
Mhm.
I think it's not too accurate.
Mhm.
Accurate. Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Why?
You can see men always wear black colors or natural
Mhm.
colors like me.
Mhm.
I'm wearing white t-shirts
Mhm.
because man is not really want to think about some things difficult,
Mhm.
especially in fashion. So
Mhm.
we just wear what we are looking.
Mhm.
Even we can keep a t-shirt for a week or
Mhm.
even a month.
Mhm. But not too accurate, yeah. When we're wearing the colors, because maybe just by chance, or there is a special condition that insists us to wear that color. Like for example, when we're wearing based on the dress code in the event. Oh, guys, please wearing the purple because that is the dress code, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We only do that if any person who asks me to wear it.
Okay, so based on the situation.
Yes, based on this situation. But I'm not sure that there is a man who doesn't like colorful or natural outfit
Mhm.
outside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
it depends on you. It's back to yourself.
Okay, thank you, Saki. What about you? Is the color describe the characteristics someone, or what?
The color.
Yeah, the colors they're wearing, maybe red, yellow, green, orange, black, white. Is there any relation we wearing the color of our outfit with the character or someone to describe?
For describe someone with their character
Yeah.
by colors,
Mhm.
maybe it depends in their self. Maybe like for the example, we saw many people using or men
Mhm.
using a black outfit every
Mhm.
day the same. We cannot judge them by their looks, like
Mhm.
the colors.
Mhm.
Maybe
They are very kind because they are wearing white. It's
yeah,
not too accurate, yeah.
not accurate.
Yeah, yeah.
So uh, if we want know more about people, we have to interaction with
Get
them.
closer, maybe. Yeah.
Get closer. Not
Mhm.
only judge them by their looks or
Mhm.
maybe their yeah. For the point of my statement is we cannot judge them by the colors.
So like it's situationable, right? Something
Yeah.
like that, and relative, right?
Yeah, relative.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Brian? Is any
Well-
relation why people wearing that color is relate with their characteristic, their character?
Not really,
Not really. Why?
because like our brother said before, maybe they their outfit is like that
Mhm.
because they like it, not
Mhm.
by
Mhm.
like they just like it,
Mhm.
and they want to wear it every day.
Mm.
I just want to say that
Mhm. Don't judge by its
yeah,
cover.
no, don't judge the book by its cover.
Yeah.
The characteristic of the people, yeah, like our brother said before.
Mhm. It's not
Yeah,
absolute.
you have to interact with them
Get
if you want
closer.
to
Yeah?
like
Know well.
know deeply. Like that.
Okay. Any addition? You keep it. Keep.
No.
Okay. Okay. I move to the next question. The third question. My third question is, okay. How do you think about Saki? How do you think about the people always do fear of missing out or going banana or ikut-ikutan paturut-turukang? For example, like Cristiano Ronaldo, his haircut something like this. here, whatever. Yeah, but the fans, it means that follow him in all of the world. How do you think about it? Is it normal or not, or wait?
Okay, it depends on what I define the word of FOMO.
Yes.
So
Fear of missing out, especially in their mode trend like haircut. Especially in this case, is Cristiano Ronaldo have a new hairstyle, and the fans in all of the world follow him. How do you think about it?
actually, if you were or using something that
Mhm.
that people has already know or already used,
Mm-hmm.
do you think it's that really how to say
Is that a
bored?
big issue?
Bored?
Bored?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Why do you have to follow all of the thing you see?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, come on, just be yourself, okay? For me, I don't like
you,
to mind.
you don't need to be him.
Yes, you don't have. You can be like him, but not 100% copying him. Don't be a
Mhm.
copycat.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
For me, I don't like mine other people business. So
This is only opinion. This is about how we give our opinion, yeah, to describe the people, the phenomena who the fans always follow their idol, something like this. So you're thinking about it's their business, right? Okay, simple. What about you? How do you think about the fans always follow their idol? For example, like a mode trend, maybe something like the Hollywood artists, the women always sorry buy expensive, super expensive bag, but a lot of people all over the world follow her to buy also the expensive, super expensive bag. How do you think about it? Is it normal or not, and why?
I think for people always how to say ikut-ikutan.
Yes, FOMO, going
Yeah,
banana.
FOMO. Actually, if they can do it, just do
Mhm.
it.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause maybe that's the way they get their happiness.
Ah, it's depend on their
Yeah.
satisfaction, right? It's depend on your class also, economic class.
So as
Are you
long
rich or not, or uh-huh.
as long that's a positive way or outfit maybe that you follow, not break our rules, but
Mm.
like a Muslims.
Mm.
For the example, maybe you saw an actress like their clothes is too open right
Mhm.
now. Their
Mhm.
how
Oh my
to say?
God.
If you Muslim, don't follow them. Just follow your rules, your religions, wearing hijab always, because that's we have to. Yeah.
Okay, so you means that separate of us may follow as long as not how to say it's suitable with your rules and your religion and your culture or not. It's
Yeah,
depend on your who you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about it? It's similar case, the same case that the idols always follow their idol, like Lisa Blackpink. Lisa Blackpink by Labubu, and suddenly all of the world, yeah, follow her to buy that doll.
It's I would say it's something normal in our era.
Something normal.
Something normal.
Okay.
Because nothing is wrong with that for me.
Mm-hmm.
You can follow him, you can follow them,
Mm-hmm. And follow
but you
her.
have to fit it to yourself. You have to
Mhm.
adjust to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
If not only about the way how they look,
Mm-hmm.
but you can also follow or imitate totally the impact, the positive
How do
thing.
we call imitate in bahasa? Kawi. Is it?
Meniru secara full.
Yeah. Oh,
berlebihan, ya.
yeah. Okay.
Again,
Uh.
not only the way they look, but you can follow their character,
Mm-hmm.
what they have done in the society, the positive thing.
Mm-hmm.
I think nothing is wrong with that. I'm also the one that we can say that I do the same. I express. We just, how to say, it's the freedom. It's the freedom of us to express ourselves.
Mm.
Yeah.
So everyone is
As long as you don't bother
Mm-hmm.
the other one,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay. Just do it.
It's and not arouse to create criminality, right?
Oh yeah.
It's,
Of course.
the most important is that, right? Okay, thank you. What about you,
Okay.
Brian? Rian, you know, you get the point.
Okay.
How if the peoples always follow their idol to wearing to buying super expensive and but we don't know their class. How do you think? Is it normal or not
Yeah,
or what?
it's normal.
Normal?
I think.
Mhm.
Yeah, as long as you have money to buy it.
That's why. Yeah, that's why. Uh-huh.
Yeah. And if like our brother, the previously one.
Mhm. Who
the,
say?
the in the corner,
And which one?
the black one.
Anas. Uh-huh.
Yeah. He said that as long as you don't bother the other,
Mm.
yeah, just go ahead.
Just go
yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, maybe if you buy that makes you feel happy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as long as you are happy, yeah, just do it.
Mm.
Like as long as you don't bother the other. Okay.
And not create criminality.
Yeah.
Right.
Not going criminal.
Uh-huh. Okay, this is any relation with something.
Okay.
For example, sometimes people, how to say, sometimes someone or the society, their show off, they're flexing, right? They're flexing their clothes, their accessory, their facility to society, to social media, but in the reality they are social climber. You know social climber? Climber in bahasa means that orang panjat sosial, pansos. In bahasa mereka ingin terlihat kaya. But in the fact is not, totally not. They are not rich. But how do you think about that phenomenon, guys? Okay, I start from you. How do you think about that phenomenon?
From that phenomenon, I think that's wrong
Mm-hmm.
for them, because if they like lying at media social just for viewers, followers, or something, actually they're like destroying themselves. You know, if someone knows about their lying, they will get shy, malu, shame.
And get crazy.
Yeah, because they catch like actually they're broke,
Mm-hmm.
but have like, yeah, always lying is destroying yourself.
It's so bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh.
Not normalize like something like that.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
And
and
I'm still waiting. Come on.
maybe just that.
Okay, you give it your statement,
Yeah.
right? Okay. I move to Anas. How do you think about that phenomena? Who the people always show their, I mean, like it's just like social climber or panjat social, and they're flexing. But in the reality, they are not. Totally not like that. They are not rich.
Yeah. I'm gonna say I'm not interrupting your life.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to do that, just do it. But I will not follow that
Okay, it's normal.
Uh,
Normalizing.
because
Uh-huh.
if you do something like,
Mm-hmm.
you will complicate yourself,
Mm-hmm.
because you have to follow all trends. You have to show off all things you have to the society. You want that people judge you as maybe the rich
Mm-hmm.
or the good man.
Mm-hmm.
You need the measure of your society. I think that's a problem.
Mm-hmm.
That's a problem for me.
And any addition about it?
Yeah, I think for flexing, I have a negative perception.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe Jazzy for now.
And of course negative, totally negative, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Zaki, how do you think about the people who always flexing to social media, but they are wrong? Actually, how do you think, especially a mode trend like their clothes, their bag, their diamond, their their vape, maybe their vape, the vape is 1 billion. Vape-nya mungkin harganya M, wow, padahal okay, gimana tuh? How do you think about it?
Okay, let's take a
Mhm.
step back. As I mentioned before, I don't like mind other people's business.
Okay.
And the second, I don't care what people say about me.
Okay.
For me, I rarely post anything on social media on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. I only use social media for entertainment and also for education sometimes. But if you want to flexing all of your stuff, it's fine by me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you have the money. The money is yours. I don't
Mhm.
want to mind your business. Just do whatever you like.
Mm.
That about how to say
Mm-hmm. Arrogance.
or
Mhm.
arrogance is a big sin in Islam.
So are you an apathetic man? You don't care whatever, wherever, whenever, who you are. I don't care, right?
Yes.
Apathetic. Apathetic. Okay. Any addition, Ned? No. Okay. You keep your statement. Okay, Brian.
Oh.
How do you think about that phenomenon?
About the flexing one, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. If you are flexing, like you are show off your clothes,
Your
and the
clothes,
price,
your diamond,
yeah,
your bag,
diamond,
yeah,
your face is very shiny,
your finger.
lot of jewelry in your
Jewelry.
yeah. It's normal. In my opinion, it's normal. But if you are it's not your reality life.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lying.
Mm-hmm.
Don't pretend to be rich.
Mm-hmm.
If you are poor.
Okay.
Back
to reality.
Yeah, back to reality.
Come on. Back to reality. Come on.
If you just want to make the people see you as the rich one,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, as you will destroy yourself.
Mm-hmm.
If the reality is not if the reality is not like you are lying.
No, yeah.
Yeah,
Big lie.
big lying.
Yeah.
Maybe the maybe
Maybe
if
sir for
you-
now is
yeah,
stop
stop.
it.
when you get started to flexing,
Mm-hmm.
somebody will look you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
But day by day, they will following your account, following your
like detective.
yeah,
Yeah.
follow your account.
Mm-hmm.
How to say?
And revealed.
and searching your
And the fact is revealed.
how to say jejak digital?
Digital.
Yeah,
Track.
your digital track.
Uh-huh.
and they know you are lying.
Yeah. And
They
the fact
will-
is revealed, right?
Yeah.
In the end.
Yeah.
Fakta
They
kemudian
will
terungkap.
refuse you.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's so
okay.
bad. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. My next question. We're talking about mode, trend, and there is also a relation with technology. For example, when you wearing the technology like a handphone, right? We were talking about the handphone, our cellular, right? How do you think about the people always change their phone? I mean, like, which one is ideal? Ideal? Five. How to say? 5 kali sekali, ya? 4 kali sekali, 5 kali atau berapa? Ya, I say in bahasa. Sorry. So which one you are, guys? 5 kali, 5 tahun sekali, 4 tahun sekali, 3 times, ya? 2. Or which one? Okay, I start from you. When you wearing the phone,
Yeah.
for example, for me, I'm Hannes. To be Hannes, 5 tahun sekali. I change my phone. What about you? Which one you are?
5 years for one phone. Maybe it's me.
Really?
Yeah, it's me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you are Gen Z.
I'm Gen Z.
How come?
But I'm not from the rich family actually. Yeah.
But Gen Z.
So my
You know
phone
the
my
fact?
phone now is Samsung, and this is the second this is the second one.
Uh-huh.
The second ones
Uh-huh.
throughout my life, my
Uh-huh.
whole life. And okay, I will say again, once again, I don't care about the people do that.
Uh-huh.
But if it's me, I won't do that. I will not do that.
Mhm.
What do you do it for?
Mhm.
Actually, what
Mhm.
can you not do by one phone?
Mhm.
What can you not do by one phone? So you need 2 to 3 phones.
Mhm.
Yeah, just adjust it to your necessity, to your need.
It's the pen of the
Yeah.
necessity.
Do you need 2 or 3 phone?
Uh-huh.
What can you not do by one phone?
Mhm.
If you just like the term we know as FOMO, if you just if
Yeah.
you're FOMO to the trend,
Everybody here have to Hannes. Come on.
how to honest? My name is already honest. Yeah.
Okay, Hannes.
So, I'm being honest now. Yeah. I will say I'm not playing as a wise man, but I will tell you guys, you need to adjust to your necessity.
Mm.
Yeah. You can utilize, you can use anything you want, but look at what you need.
Need, necessary, or wants. Which one is
Yeah.
necessary? Yeah. Okay, not wants. Yeah, but necessary. Okay. What about you? Which one you are? 10 tahun sekali? 6 months? Which one you are?
Well,
And why?
for me,
Uh-huh.
actually, this phone is not too old.
Mm-hmm.
I bought it
Uh-huh.
in 2024.
Okay.
I just bought this phone just for a communication tool because I thought I really need it sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
My
Before you have this,
Yeah?
I'm sure you have a phone. Is this your first phone? I'm not sure. You
Oh.
have before, right?
Of course not. I borrowed my brother's phone.
So this is your first phone?
Yeah, not
No,
really.
This is the second. So what about jarak? How many years?
Do you know the era of candy bar phones?
Candy bar phones. Uh-huh.
I have used them when I was a child.
How many? So how many years? The
Candy bar's phone won't take so long to. It's broken in just 2 or 3 years.
Okay. So this is 4 years, 3 years already?
Actually, less than a years.
Okay.
I bought it with my own money.
Okay. Okay, so it's depend on the saving maybe, yeah.
Yes,
You
okay.
change the phone. It's depend on your saving money, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What about you? Which one you are when you wearing the phone? How years you change?
Okay, it's time to tell the truth.
Yeah, the
Okay.
truth. Yeah.
Okay, actually, I changed my phones 2 times. Cause the
times?
reasons my first phone is broke, crash,
Mhm.
and then I buy it a new one, and then it's broke again, and
Mhm.
then this is my last phone. Actually, this is not my phone.
Mhm.
This is my mother's phone.
Okay. You tell us the truth.
Tell the truth. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I take my mother's phone,
Mhm.
but when I being a student at
Okay.
university, I realized that phones, when we addicted at screening,
Mhm.
screening that makes ourselves in trouble for the future.
Mhm.
So right now I'm don't care about phones anymore. Maybe I
Mhm.
use it for communication
Mhm.
because that's important,
Mhm.
communication, for entertainment. How to
What
say?
about business?
Probably.
What
I'm
about business? Business.
yeah, my business
Uh-huh.
sometimes, but not always. Just that. So that's why for people always change their phones. Maybe I wanna ask something for them. Are you scammers or something? Always change your
Scammers.
phone. Uh, if you have money, just buy it. But if you
Mhm.
don't follow them. Always change their phones.
Mhm.
Okay, maybe.
Maybe
Yeah.
like that. Okay, thank you.
I
What
have
about you,
told you the
Brian?
truth.
How many
Okay.
totally your phone you have in your whole life?
Mm. Until when?
How many
Like
years you change?
mm,
Yeah.
since I was in school.
Okay. The how
And
to say Jared?
in
Uh-huh.
well, when I was in elementary until junior high school,
Yeah.
I don't have a phone at all.
You don't have
Yeah,
phone at all.
yeah.
Okay.
And when I come to the university,
Uh-huh.
yeah, I buy it because it's necessary. Yeah,
Mhm.
I have to use my phone to save my data,
Mhm.
to save my photo. Yeah, and then how to say it, tidak lama setelah itu
Mhm.
my phone is broke and
Okay.
it's really damaged,
Mhm.
sudah rusak parah.
Mhm.
So I buy the new one
Yeah.
until now.
So the years, the
I don't know.
you don't know exactly.
Yeah, I
about
don't know
that.
exactly.
Mhm.
If I know my phone is broke, I will change it.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Brian. Okay, we move to the next question. Yeah, this is the last segment. Yeah. Yeah. I move to you, Hannes. What is your conclusion about our topic this evening? Because you are there, you was there as an observer, and now you are a speaker. So how? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
As a people living in this era, there might be many, what do we say, as this,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, something that can we really want, that can
Okay.
really want, and but just be yourself, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have to get to know to yourself and what you need. Just be like that. Just be a simple,
Simplicity,
simple
yeah?
human.
Simple human.
Do your life, live your life, enjoy your life in a simple way.
Okay, okay. Everything is simple, yeah? Okay. What about you, Zach? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Alright, so my conclusion about the topic is don't force yourself to join any trends you have ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
If you look how to say,
Mm-hmm.
handsome or gorgeous in front
Okay.
of people,
Uh-huh.
you can buy one or two pieces of clothes, but don't force your financial power.
Ya, jangan
you-
memaksakan diri ya.
Yes, don't.
Okay, thank you, Zaki. What about you? What is
For-
your conclusion?
Okay, for the conclusion of our topic today,
Uh-huh.
maybe we can say that right now there are many trends like get the impact like positive or negative.
Mhm.
We have to smart to how to say memilah trend.
Mhm.
We take the positive trend, throw
Mhm.
away the negative, because in our future maybe the positive side of this trend or the trend in outside
Mhm.
maybe is make us like how to say
Yeah.
Using,
What is
wait.
yeah?
Yeah. how to say
Do not
that
hesitate to speak in
Berguna,
bahasa.
berguna.
Okay. When you start in
Kedepannya.
English.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Brian? What is your conclusion about our topic?
My conclusion for this topic, if you want to follow the trend, just follow it
Mm-hmm.
as long as it's positive. It's positive.
Mm-hmm.
You don't bother anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Just follow it. Yeah, the most important thing that you have money to buy it.
That is the important. Absolutely. That is the very absolutely. Okay.
Okay,
That just it.
Yeah, just it.
Okay, thank you, Brian.
Yeah,
Yeah, for
thank
the conclusion. Thank you, guys. Yeah, give a applause for us. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you, Brian from BPC. Thank you, Yudis from NGC. Thank you, Zaki from NGC. Thank you, Anas from Akis for coming in our second home. Yeah, that's all our discussion about our topic, and the topic is a modern trend. Yeah. Don't forget to always listen Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration, especially in our program, English communities, week by week, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. And of course, we will meet again, smart listeners and viewers at home, for the next week in different topic also. So see you next week, guys. Yeah, bye bye.